Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make money using Google Translate. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So for us to begin here, what you can do is you can go to Google Translate first. You can either use your Google Chrome browser or you can use any browser that you have. So here, what you can do is that this would actually be used, especially when we will be using affiliate marketing, so that we will be able to cover not only in your country but other countries as well where they speak other language. So what we'll do here is you just need to go to CPA Grip. This actually is a platform where it's used for affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is just to register your own account or create your own account here in CPA Grip so that you can start being a affiliate marketer or being a member here so that you will be able to make money as well using these links here. So here, once you are able to register, you'll be able to see a lot of payment proofs or a lot of payouts that you can see that is generated by the system. They will be able to inform you that this is a legit platform. So all you have to do is on the left side panel, go to offer tools and go to my offers. Here you will be able to see that the country, since I'm currently on Philippines, it actually will automatically provide you your country that you are in. But you can definitely go to other countries as well, depending on what they offer. And here, what you need to look for is the payout. You can click on payout, and then it will automatically adjust to the highest payout that it will be giving. So here, you can choose other countries. You can look for the highest offer that they can give you. For example, let's go to Denmark. And then when we click on payout, it automatically rearranges the offers to the highest offer that they will give you here. So, for example, we will use these um, Denmark, or let's look for another one here. Let's say Finland. So we will be using the language that is being used for Finland, which means we need to translate this one since we currently don't understand that. But that's not an issue. Since we have Google Translate, it will help us generate this here. So what you can do is simply copy and paste the details so that you'll be able to understand on what the offer is about. And once you have that translated, you can go to, or you can also take note of the informations here as well on what it offers. So you can see here that it offers 500 euro Apple coupon. And you need to make sure as well that you verify your email so that you will be able to copy the link of this offer. So once your email is verified, you can copy the link and you can go to a platform that shortens the URL. You can use tiny URL here, and then you can shorten the link and then just copy that, and then you just need to save it somewhere so that you'll be able to use it later on. So the next thing or next platform that you need to go to is trafficadbar.com. This is where we will be adding the link so that it will be generated, or it will be added into different websites using the ad um, bar or ad widget on specific websites. So here you can see on what time you want to receive the email for this. So once you have registered your own account, you just need to fill out all these informations. And then what you need to do is you can add your website or the affiliate link. So what we'll use here is the URL that we used, or we shortened using tiny URL. And then we just need to copy these information so that we will be able to fill out all the details and have a description on what the ad is about. So here you can add your own informations, or let's say you want to compose other words. Here you can change the title. And just to inform you, with traffic ad bar, I believe it has a specific number of payout before you'll be able to withdraw a money here. So what you can do is, here you can modify that, get a chance to win. But since we will be having this ad to Finland, you need to make sure that you are using their language. So let's just have it here, and then we will be translating that later on. So here we are going back to Google Translate and then just composing the details that we want to incorporate into the traffic ad bar, so that the users or the viewers or the audience for the ad that we will be creating, they will be understanding that since we will be adding, or we will be posting our ad into to Finland, which is where the offer is coming from. So here, we just need to copy this one and then paste it here on the title. You need to make sure that you have it phrase by phrase. And here, once you have all these details filled out, you can actually choose what country you are from or what country you want this to be posted. You can see here, and you can even choose on when your ad will be seen, or by what time will it be posted into the country. Here you can set up as well the date from, let's say 1 week, or you say 3 days, depending on how many days you'd like the ad to be posted into here with traffic ad bar. So here let's just go back to the ad details, just to make sure that you will not be using any symbols. You should only use text and numbers here, since it will not allow us to go through if there's an exclamation mark, if there's any period or comma or any currency symbol, it won't allow us to go through. So once you have that ready, you can just click go in next, and then you will be routed into this page where it will actually give you tips on how you will be able to use traffic ad bar. And then just click on next, and then here you will be able to get your goals. So you will have bonus points and a lot more using different, or if you will be downloading traffic ad bar. So here you just need to answer all these questions that they will be asking you, so that you will be able to start posting or creating multiple ads already using the link that you have here. And then just click on OK. Now you're almost done. You just need to click on get started, and then here you'll be able to see that you need to look out for emails and the links, so that you can earn points from this platform. So another thing, for you to be able to make money using Google Translate with the link that we have using, or that we copied from CPA Grip, you can actually look for other websites or classified ad websites on Finland, or it's depending on what country you choose to post your ad or the link, so that every so that if you will be choosing a website that a lot of people or a lot of people in Finland will be going into, you can actually use that as your source of income, so that the more people will click on your link, the more income you will get. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to make money using Google Translate. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.